This video guide is about removing the browser notifications associated with the site News-dorubi.cc. News-dorubi.cc is a malicious site. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But it's a mistake to click on Allow, and this would hijack the browser immediately with a lot of web push notifications that are not decent. To deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious sites on the list, make sure you get rid of them from this list completely. So delete all these junk sites. Finally, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.